Okay, welcome back, guys. The friendly Grim Reaper, not really that friendly. The friendly Reaper is here again. You know, your boy Grim Reaper. Huh? I'm back here again, playing some more Minecraft. I haven't really touched this game in a while. I've been busy, man. I've been rather busy recently. Uh, oh wait, oops. Forgot to turn off my music. Let me turn up Minecraft. There we go. Okay, I hope audio's fine for everyone. If it's too soft, then that kinda sucks. If it's too loud, then that also kinda sucks. I don't even know why I have a, I don't know why I have an emerald with me. Okay. Now I want to explore this side of the cave today. Oh, this side of the ravine, I should say. Seems kinda dangerous. Got him. Easy, easy. Wait, blow up. Blow up. There we go. Nothing much here. I think I should just mine some more iron and get out. What else do I need to do? I can't remember. Oh, I've gotten slightly better. Watch my if you had watched my recent stream, I streamed playing Minecraft Hardcore mode, where I try and speedrun a hardcore world that's seeded. The challenge isn't in challenge isn't in actually doing the world. I just wanna show off, prove that I'm a better Minecrafter than SLYE 2004. I just realized I didn't bring any iron and my chest is still in my inventory. So yeah, I fine-tuned my how do you call it? My skills a little bit during that video or during that stream. I think I've improved my combat a little bit. I've become slightly more daring in my moves. That doesn't mean I'm better, it just means that I have a high chance to live. I'll put that there, and then after that, drop this like that. Do it in tree fashion so that I can go 1, 2, 3. Don't know why these two are separated. I'm gonna put these down here. And then, yeah, that's about it. Okay. No. Where's my shield? There we go. Slowly becoming more and more used to the Minecraft, you know. Gotten slightly better, not a lot though. I'm still nowhere near Dreams level. And I hope to get there one day. And I hope to get there with you guys, my audience. For those that are actually watching my videos, well, that's great. That's great. I can't say anything much here cause I have a very small audience. But then again, I at least have an audience. I would tell you to show some love to SLYE 2004, but that's not fair for me, cause I'm trying to prove that I'm the better Minecraft YouTuber. So if I just give him my audience, then that's just no. Where the hell's the skeleton? I freaking lost sight of him. Is he above me? He's above me, isn't he? Wait, yeah, wait, where is the skeleton? Oh, he fell down. Ah, what a dumbass. There you go. Hopefully. Oh, you know what I should do? Let's take a. I thought it was in the water stream. Oh no. No. You broke my. Okay, that's annoying. Actually, no, I'm just gonna remake it. There we go. so that I can destroy the other side. Ta-da! Shield it, you know? Shield it up. As for here, I'm just gonna, there we go. That's gravel. And there we go. Now it's done. Hey, you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? Let me give you a hint. It allows me to get a lot of XP really quickly. If you guys guess mob grinder, then yes, you are correct. Oh wait, no, wrong side. Ah, you see? Look at that. I haven't played this game. I haven't played in this world in so long. Should be up here, right? Been playing quite a bit of modded Minecraft recently, actually. So I'm kinda not used to this normality. This feels too normal. Oh, whoops. But normal is fine. Well, on my way to this mob grinder, I'm just gonna mine as much iron as I can, cause some people told me that it's really annoying if I just left a few pieces of iron leaving around everywhere, and that's not the way to go. Goal of this video is just make a mob grinder. Cut out some of the boring parts, but we'll see. This might just be another 30-minute long video again, if not longer, cause making a mob grinder takes quite a bit of time, like a surprisingly long amount. I mean, for now I don't need my shield, do I? Yeah, I can just hold my weapon, my extremely broken iron axe. It's about to break in half. There we go. And I'm out. Putting this to there. Does anyone actually? How do I make a blast furnace? That's a very important thing. Cause blast furnaces are like furnaces, but better, right? Smithing table, respawn anchor. That's cool. Blast furnace. How do I make a blast furnace? Search. Blast. I showing craftable. I don't know how to make a blast furnace. I want to make a blast furnace though. It'll be very useful actually. Ah, shit. I have to give that a Google later. In the meantime, mine iron. There's zombie around here. Slightly high up. Might be behind the walls or something. Oh yeah, I also need gold because of the new gacha trade system from the piglins. The new gacha trade system is so useful. Getting me absolutely nothing, god damn. Every time I want something, it just doesn't give it to me. Gives me the exact opposite of what I want. I mean, I might try to make a respawn anchor. That seems pretty useful. No clue where that is. I'll ignore that. Pretend I don't hear it. Ooh, look at that. Gold to iron. I came looking for copper, but I found no. Okay. Cool. Cool. Very cool, Minecraft. Giving me my hard mode survival PTSD. I mean, it wouldn't have done much if I fell down there, but still, that is PTSD worthy. Scares me. Yeah, it's this way. Go, my portal. My portal's here. Enderman. Oh, more iron. I don't think I need redstone, do I? I mean, I kinda do if I want to make this mob. You know what? We'll see. We'll see. I think he just put a bunch of. I think I just spam a bunch of minecarts at the bottom. Make it so that it crushes the mobs with the minecarts. If that. If I'm. Oh wait, is this spider? No, it's not. If as long as it's not a spider spawner, it's fine. I should be able to do that. Whoa, my jump didn't respond to me there. I suck. I'm so bad. I'm so bad. So bad at the game. That was like absolutely horrible. That was atrocious play. Nice. Almost killed him without taking damage there. Oh, okay, okay. I'm out of torches. Let me sit down. Get 7. Put that there, there. Honestly, I should make more. Use my precious crimson wood for it. That means I just have to go back into the nether again. Everyone knows what happens when I go into the nether. I die to lava again. Please don't fall. There we go. More, more iron, more iron. I need how many minecarts do I need to make the crusher? I don't remember. I can't remember how many I need. I think it's like 16 or something. Uh, I'm becoming old. Not that I'm old at all, but I'm becoming old. I can't remember shit. Can't remember jack shit. You know, maybe it's just because I haven't played this game in so long. They added so many new things. And, you know, minecarts can kill people now. Okay. Creepers can also kill people. I remember that. Is that light? Where's that light coming from? Lapis. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Ooh, nice. One shot. I don't know why sometimes the creating a spider one shots it, but it does. Sometimes it doesn't. Kind of strange if you ask me. Do more mining. There we go. There we go. There we go. Mining is kind of boring. I might cut this out. Well, if you can hear me talking now, you know that you know that I didn't cut it out. But if you can't, well, that means I cut it out. Simple as that. Oh, didn't. Hmm. Ooh, you're hiding something, lava. I see that. What is that? What's it hiding? I hate you, lava. That's some kind of secret. Oh, shit. That actually is pretty cool. Oh, no. Hmm. It's like a lava pit above me. Okay. Very funny, lava. You find every opportunity to try and burn me. Every single video, every single video, every single time. I get burned by lava at least once. Oh, that's where it came from. I thought there was a lava pit above me. Is that a witch? Yeah, it is. Where are you, witchy, witchy, bitchy? Where are you? I haven't reaped any souls in a long time. And you're about to be the first. Why is it not? Why is it? Oh, okay, there we go. That's provided I don't get myself killed first. No. 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 No words for that, just no. I thought I got this into the first slot, so I moved into my hand slot and I didn't have it there. I was like, wait a second. That was a that was great teamwork on the skeleton's part though. He knocked a tactical nuke into my face. Like actually that was really good. 10 out of 10 would do that. 10 out of 10 would get hit by that again. I don't know who could dodge that, man. That was almost instantaneous. I thought I knocked it back with my sword. I thought I knocked it back with my axe, but I missed. It just made it so that he just got me. I got gotted. There you go. No, I'm just gonna there. I feel like I shouldn't be touching the ground. That's two skeletons. Switch my weapon. Nice bet, nice assist. There we go. Awesome assist by the bat right there. Teamwork plus 12. That's a lot of zombies coming from up there. I wonder whether there's anything up there, you know? Kinda sus. Kinda sus to me, you know? Maybe there's a spawner. Or maybe it's because it's just incredibly dark. One of the two. Hope it's a spawner. Damn it, it's just the water source. Block that up. Wait, there's two water sources next to each other. Two water sources. Blah, blah, blah. My tongue is still jumbled. Jimbo jumbled. It's too early. Let me go to sleep. I'm just kidding. I don't really mind. Wake up at about this time anyways. How's everyone doing? Steve, you doing fine? Insert generic name. Steve. First one to come to mind. Whoa. That is a glitch in my matrix. Hello, Minecraft? Oh, there we go. Whoa. There we go. Did you have to break my torch? Okay. What? Okay, noted. That was very strange. Something is making me fail at Minecraft. I got better, I swear. Maybe I got worse. Yeah, no, maybe I did get worse. Where the fuck am I? Did I just go in a loop-de-loop and go back around? Shit, where the hell am I? Fuck. Well, then you know what? I don't know where it is. I mean, there's iron here, but I don't know where exit is. Where's the exit? Where? Where? Doko niru? Doko? Shit. No. This place looks familiar. I don't know how I went from looking for the spawner I found last episode to cave spelunking. Talking about Spelunky. Has anyone played Spelunky 2? The new one? The recent one? Spelunky 2 is great. Spelunky 1 was amazing. Spelunky 2 is even better. speedruns for it are insane. You don't even know. You can't even tell people are playing the same game as you. Wait a second, they're playing Spelunky. That's not how you play Spelunky. Yeah, they just teleport left, right, up, down, and then they suddenly like, egg the exit. They beat the boss by throwing 2 bombs, and then after that, wait a second, the boss is dead. I didn't even know you could telefrag into the boss as a way to do damage. Randomly mining. I'm not gonna mine straight down if I hear lava, firstly. But if I don't hear lava, I feel like that's pretty safe to do. Well, if I hear a group of zombies, that's not very safe to do either. What? Apocalypse fighting! So many bats, oh, okay. Use the zombie as a shield, use the zombie as a shield, nice. Nice. Ooh, that was a very cool fight scene. Now I eat cause I need the health. That entire exchange just reminded me of uh, SLY's recent video. He tried to survive as many days in hardcore as he could. It wasn't pretty, let me tell you that as a four of us. He had the most he had the he had the funniest death I think I've ever seen in a hardcore world. Oh wait, I only have 7. Wait a second. I miscalculated. Forgot to make sticks. There we go. Now I didn't miscalculate. Where am I? Where is this place? I'm just digging back in tunnels I've never I feel like I've been. Oh wait, it's here. You know, where's that place? No clue. I'm lost. Help. I'm not really lost. I have a pretty good sense of direction, but like I'm lost. Help. Where am I? Hello? 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 Anyone there? There? Anyone there? There? Hello? 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 Where am I? Like actually though, now I'm genuinely concerned. I have no clue where I am. I hope I find diamonds though. If I find more diamonds, I can show that I'm better. Okay, that's lava. Fall, thank you. Give me that, give me that. I hope there's nothing there. Bear? There. Ooh, you know what? Lava pits like this are actually interesting because I feel like there should be diamonds under them. Do you guys not agree? Look at that. Just feel like if I just fill up this entire pit. I might find diamonds under this. Quick, hurry up. Switch to creative mode and plant diamonds underneath. Oh, that's sad. No diamonds. Ooh, redstone. Nah, I mean, that's like half a diamond. It's found in the same layer as diamond. It's just red. It's a red color gemstone. Not really. Ow. I tried to do that quickly so that I don't destroy half this lava pit, but I just destroyed half the lava pit and took damage, so that's sad. The Minecraft music is so peaceful. So peaceful. For me, my holiday just started, which is why I'm back to making videos. Gonna keep up my weekly schedule with some additional streams in between if I have the time. How am I doing on time? Let me check. Ooh, not bad. 26 minutes. Definitely will need to cut some parts out since it's quite long, quite long. I'm not gonna lie. Quite long. There we go. Boop. Ooh, this is interesting. Remember how I talked about the lava thing? What if I were to just fill this up, I might find lava, diamonds underneath. That's what this place is giving me. That's the feeling that this place is giving me. But I don't think there's gonna be any. Can just go boop, boop, and boop, boop. There we go. There. Is there anything down here? Anything down here? Come on, move faster, faster, faster. Okay. Why would I need diamonds? But iron is good. Iron is great. I want my diamonds. I want to get enough diamonds so that I can make a diamond axe and not consider it a waste of material. If I do get enough diamonds to make a diamond axe and not consider it a waste of materials, I'm gonna go straight to the nether. I'm mining for netherite and I need to upgrade that shit immediately. Never gonna waste a single hit of durability on it. Even though I think I have to fix it with diamond before I can turn it into netherite axe. Which sucks! 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 Okay, okay. Can I no, they don't give me netherite, I forgot. I was gonna say, can I trade gold for netherite? And I was like, who am I kidding? This is Minecraft, they won't do that. I really like the direction Minecraft is going in though for the recent updates, like the caves update. That sounds great. Minecraft is slowly diversifying into an RPG type game. Or like game, sorry, not type, but like game. Where is it? Is it up above or below? Or is it exactly on my... It was below. Found my answer. Well, that gave me a very big scare. Oh my god, that honestly scared me. Okay. There we go. Oh no. Okay, I think this time I'm actually lost. Oh, there might be diamonds here. Wait a second, ignore that ore. If I go back and look at the recording and I see diamonds hiding in some corner, I'm gonna murder my future self. Where is it? there was definitely some signs of diamonds on there. That was like way too much ore in one place to not have diamonds somewhere. Mine lapis. I really want to explore shipwrecks because shipwrecks are good. They give you mending books. They give you books in general. Remember, kids, read. Oh, Enderman, that's what that was. Nice. There, now I don't know where he is. Now I don't know where he is. I don't like that. I like the fact that I have no clue where he is. Just gonna keep my ears. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. Ooh, that was a half a heart clutch right there. That was so close. That was so goddamn close. Oh my god, my heart was beating so fast. I was about to have a heart attack. Smithing table. Ooh, that's how you make it. Make it. Why not? Am I right? What? How much cobble? Ooh, I have extra cobble. Nice, nice, nice. Sell another station down here. Whenever I feel like it, I just set up a what do you call it? Okay. I didn't want that to happen, but okay. Whenever I feel like it, I'll just set up another smelting station. Oh, wait a second, I got a lot of iron. Okie dokie. And that's it. Where is the spawner? That's another important question that I have to ask myself every day. Is it this way? I don't remember. I said I haven't been here in very long. Hmm. No. Yes, maybe. Ooh, it might be up here. No, that's not it. Boop, boop. I feel like I just broke the torch. No, it didn't. Nice. Down here? No, wait. I think it's somewhere here. Oh no, where is it? Not again, Mataku. No, I'm lost. Wait, where is it? What? I've almost finished my entire stockpile of pork chop. Where is this cave? No, it's not here. It's not here. Where is it? No. I can do one while singing. You know what? Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Found it. Found it. That wasn't that hard. Now then, to make this into a those rooms, I gotta figure out the mechanisms behind it. Luckily, I bought more pickaxes than needed. But turns out that I need exactly that many pickaxes. Okay, I'll probably cut right here. I'll be back when I'm done clearing out this area. Okay, and I'm back. Uh, I'm basically done with this inside. See the skeletons fall down there. They fall into the minecart. They get killed by the minecart because of this new squish thing. Over there to collect XP. And then I come down here to collect. I don't have any more materials for more hoppers, but I don't really need any more. Okay, that's basically everything that was mined out of there. I will eventually transport this, but for now I'm not going to. Honestly, I just feel like just jumping into a pit of lava to get back home. It's the oh, that's where the yeah, that's where the other one. Okay, noted. Well, let's hope I remember that. Getting down here isn't that easy either. So I'm just gonna jump into a pit of lava. Uh, let's go. Ah, yes, fire. So that's all I got for today. I mean, I guess we kind of did get a lot done. Got a bunch of materials gathered. I made the I made the EXP farm and mob grinder down there. Actually, I think I should make the zombie side into an EXP farm. I think the skeletons are just for the materials. But to be fair, zombies do drop iron, so I'll make both of them into an EXP farm. For now, that's the easiest way to make an EXP farm. So until then, wait. So until then, sayonara. Oh shit.